So I got a Rubik's Cube when I was about 10 and I memorised the algorithms as to how to do it, and I've just remembered and relearned. So let's start with white. And first up we put the white middle pieces on to make a white cross. Get the blue one up. And green. It's the white plus, hit them in the right place, and then you do the four corners. So green and red goes in there. Blue and red is upside down, so that comes out and then goes in there. Orange and green goes in there. And the last one, white, blue and orange goes in there. Top face on the top row with the T. Now we do the middle row centerpieces. So red and green, yellow and not yellow, blue and red goes in there, orange and blue, which means there should be orange and green goes in there. So top face and top two rows. Now we do the bottom face. We've got an L shape. We need to turn that into a straight line and then into a yellow plus. And that one's in the right place, but now that one and that one are. So now I go, let me remember the way. It's that way, 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 that way. And now my plus is all four of them in the right corners. Now we look at the corners. That's in the right place. That's in the right place. That's in the right place. And that's in the right place. So now it's just a case of turning those corners round. So there's 8 moves to turn that one round. 16 or so to turn this one round. And finally 16 to do this one. And that is the Rubik's Cube done. So, a couple of minutes. I think my record is 1.5 from years and years and years ago. But yeah, I'm very pleased that I've remembered how to do it all. So if you ever need one doing, then I can do it. Ciao!